Hello children, welcome to English class. Today, as you can see, our topic for class 9 has been taken from your Beehive book, the first chapter, The Fun They Had. This chapter, The Fun They Had, has been written by Isaac Asimov, and my objective in teaching this chapter to you is that in a very crisp manner and in short time interval, I take you through the chapter by the summary of it. I have listed out some important points of the chapter, and I intend to teach this chapter to you through the major points. So before we actually begin the chapter, let us know what the chapter is all about. This story which we are going to read is set up in the future, the time when books and schools will not be known as we know them today. Like you have your school building and the way you have books made up of paper. Similarly, perhaps it will not be like the same in future. Instead of books made out of paper and school which is in the form of a concrete building, it would rather be an experience where the teaching and learning will happen with the help of computers and robots. You already are in the practice of taking online classes, but the kind of explanation of the time or the kind of expression of the time that has been shown in this chapter is way beyond. ये और भी आगे की बात है जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अभी आपको मिल रही हैं, उसके भी बियॉन्ड किस तरीके से राइटर ने अज्यूम किया है कि एक वक्त आएगा जब सारी पढ़ाई कंप्यूटर्स के और रोबोट्स के द्वारा ही होगी. You can also see in this diagram in the video that schools in the future will have computers where text will be moving, just like I told you earlier also, like you watch news in the TV and the zipper runs with all those words running across the screen. Similarly, text in the computer or the telebooks will also be found like this. Of course, children are going to learn through computers. There would be virtual classrooms also. Now, virtual classrooms are not the real classrooms that you have in school these days. These will be rather set up at your home with all your gadgets and computers surrounding you, and there can be a mechanical teacher teaching you. Now, in this chapter, The Fun They Had, there are two main characters, a girl, Margie, who is of 11 years old, and a boy named Tommy, 13 years old. Also, besides Margie and Tommy, Margie has her mother, Mrs. Jones, and there is a county inspector. This county inspector is a person who inspects all the mechanical teachers in the area where Margie and Tommy live. This story was written in 1951, and this story gives us an account of some time in 2157, the year 2157. That means clearly this story is set up 100 to 150 years beyond the time where we are living. Now let us go through the story. In the story, what we see is that Tommy finds a real book in the attic of his house and shares it with Margie. Now, what is attic? Attic is a small space in the upper part of the room. It is usually used for storing things. We generally don't have attic in Indian house setups. However, you may have seen in the movies where the hilly areas are and they have a dome shaped structure or a rather triangular shaped structure on the top of the house, and that portion is led by a staircase. वहाँ पर हम staircase के through जा सकते हैं और उस एरिया को या तो लोग स्टोरेज के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं या कभी कभी स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन के लिए वो एरिया यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर देयर रिक्रिएशनल पर्पसेस, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी एरेटेड एंड अ सनलिट एरिया. Still, what happens is that Tommy, who is a 13-year-old boy, he finds a book over there, and do you know, this book was about school. Even Margie asks Tommy that, Tommy, what is this book all about? And she was very astonished, very surprised to know that there is a book which is for real, which is made out of paper. And the more fascinating thing in the book was that that book had words which were standing still, they were not moving. The book was yellow and crinkly. The pages of the book were yellow and crinkly, unlike the moving words on her computer screen or the telebooks. Now, in the books which Tommy and Margie used to read, they were telebooks, and the words of those books used to move across their computer screen. Both Margie and Tommy think that real books were a waste and they couldn't be stored. Of course, ये books को इनकी तरह, जिस तरह के टेली बुक्स ये पढ़ते थे, दे कुड कीप मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ बुक्स इन देयर कंप्यूटर, बट इस तरीके की फ़िज़िकल बुक्स, इस तरीके की पेपर बाउंड बुक्स मार्जी और टॉमी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग में एक वेस्टेज थी, जिनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टोर नहीं किया जा सकता. However, they can store plenty of books in their vast memory of their computers. And they also thought that people of earlier days used to throw away these books after reading once. Now Margie got reminded that the kind of book it is, it belongs to somebody who is from the early age, and her grandfather's grandfather once had told Margie's grandfather that in their time books were made out of paper and schools were for real. So Margie had no knowledge about any book made out of paper. And Margie writes about this special book in her diary on the date 17th May 2157. At first, Margie was not impressed about the fact that the book was about a school. पहले उसे ये बात बड़ी अजीब लगती है कि एक बुक स्कूल के बारे में कैसे हो सकती है. ये किसी भी विषय के बारे में होती, लेकिन कोई स्कूल के ऊपर बुक क्यों लिखेगा? क्योंकि वो अपने स्कूल को पसंद नहीं करती थी. द काइंड ऑफ स्कूल शी यूज्ड टू अटेंड, शी वॉज नॉट वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद दैट काइंड ऑफ स्कूल. सो शी वॉज इक्वली अनइम्प्रेस्ड विद एनी बुक दैट talked about a school. She disliked her own school and was rather hateful towards it. She was scornful towards her school. Margie hated her school because her mechanical teacher gave her too many tests in geography and she kept failing them. Now, what was the reason that Margie hated her school? She did not like her school because her mechanical teacher was again and again giving her tests in geography and she was failing in the test. Even her mother was very displeased by this fact that Margie was not doing good in her studies. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, she informs the county inspector that he could come and check what is the actual problem with Margie. Why is she not progressing higher? The county inspector was a round little man with a red face, with a pleasing personality and had a reassuring attitude. Now, the county inspector, he was a very loving person. When he comes and meets Margie, he offers Margie an apple. He also looks Margie with a pleasing smile on his face, and he had a reassuring personality, means he assures Mrs. Jones and Margie that whatever problem they are facing, soon it will disappear. He attended to Mrs. Jones' complaint and fixed Margie's computer within an hour. He had a box of tools with dials and wires, and he knew all about the mechanical teacher. Now he was an expert. He came with his whole gadget box and he knew how to repair the mechanical teacher. Margie was not very happy with this fact of knowing that soon her computer will be set all right. Why? Because once what had happened in her memory, she remembers that Tommy, who is her neighbor and he is also very friendly with Margie. Once once Tommy's computer had blanked out completely. उसका कंप्यूटर टोटली ख़राब हो जाता है. The history sector of his computer had completely blanked out. So Margie was also hoping that because I hate my school, so I'm not doing proper in my studies. Because I'm not doing proper in my studies, so she did not want to study further, and she wanted her mechanical teacher to be taken away. Just like Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away for 1 month. And all these things, that Margie was not performing well in her studies, this all collectively led her to hate her school, and that is why she was unimpressed by the fact that any book was written stating about a school. Now the mechanical teacher was a large, black and ugly computer. This mechanical teacher was a robot. But what Margie most hated about it was a slot in it where she had to put her homework and test papers. Everything was still digestible. It was okay, fine. It was not a good looking computer. It really gave her a lot of homework. It also failed her in her geography exams. But what Margie hated the most, it was the slot where she had to put her test papers. And how was she writing her test papers? She was not writing like you all write, like you write in words. Rather, from the age of 6 years, she was taught how to write in punch codes. And in this punch codes only, she used to write her homework and submit it in the slot of the mechanical teacher. After fixing the mechanical teacher, the county inspector told Mrs. Jones that it had been geared up a little in its geography sector. Now, what does the word geared up mean? Geared up means that something has been sped up. उसकी स्पीड को बढ़ा दिया गया था किसी तरीके से. इस वजह से ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर मार्जी को ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट एग्ज़ाम्स दे रहा था और मार्जी अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रही थी. But once the county inspector fixes that problem of the mechanical teacher, that he gears down the geography sector, he reassures Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, that it had been now slowed to an average 10-year level, and the computer was then ready to show up all the lessons and questions on its big screen. The county inspector also told Mrs. Jones that Margie's progress will now be better, and she is already doing satisfactory in her other subjects. But Margie was sad, and she still hoped that her teacher should be taken away, just as Tommy's teacher was once taken for nearly a month, because I told you that his history sector of the mechanical teacher had blanked out completely. Margie was very disappointed that her computer was not taken away, and later she shares her distaste towards the real book and complains to Tommy, why would anybody write about a school? So her agony, her whole anger was against the school because she hated her school. That is why she did not even like any book that told about schools. Tommy looks at her in a superior manner and tells that the school described in the book was very different from theirs, because Tommy was 3 years elder to Margie. So he looks at Margie in such a way that, Margie, you don't know anything. You are not liking this book which tells about a school just because your school is boring. He tells Margie that, do you know, the school which has been described in this book was very different. It used to be a very different experience in the kind of school that has been talked about in the book. This school was made out of rocks and stones. It was a building, and children came to that school from their neighborhoods. All of them used to learn together, sit in one classroom, share their homework, help each other in their homework, share their food, talk to each other. So Margie is very astonished. Tommy he adds loftily to the information and carefully says that the school was centuries old. कि इस तरीके का जो स्कूल था ये सालों पहले, 100 सालों पहले ऐसा हुआ करता था. Margie was still hurt and confused because the school wheresoever had a teacher anyway. Tommy then tells her that the teacher in olden days was a man and not a computer like they had. So Margie still was not very happy. She said, okay, whatever that school may have been, whether children used to study together, but at least there was a teacher and I don't like a teacher. So Tommy tells that Margie, do you know that even the teacher in that school used to be a human being? Now this information catches Margie's attention and she couldn't believe if a human could teach boys and girls and gave them homework too. Because in Margie's understanding, a teacher can only be a mechanical one. It can only be a robot. And she never had assumed that a human being like her father and mother could also teach the children. She was not ready to believe that a human being can be as intelligent as to be a teacher. For her, although she hated her teacher, she hated her school, but she knew that her computer was extremely intelligent. Whatever she would ask the computer, it would within a second reply her. And she never considered that a teacher can be a man, it can be a human being. Tommy laughs at her and tells about the school with a special building in the past, how kids of same age studied the same thing all together. Margie was very surprised to hear all this because her mother had told how the computer was adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. So what happened? That first of all she was surprised to know that there used to be a school made up of building where books were out of paper, where children used to study in one classroom, where a man was a teacher. She never had thought that her own father was as intelligent as a teacher. But Tommy tells her that why do you think? Doesn't your father does all the work? Doesn't he know everything? He is also clever. And just like him, any human being can be clever and intelligent. But there is another thing that disturbs Margie. She thinks, how can a strange person come into your house and start teaching you? Because in her house there was no entry of any stranger. The teacher used to be a computer only set up in her schoolroom. Then Tommy tells her, no teacher comes in the classes. No teacher comes in your house in the olden days. It was the children who used to go to the school to meet their teacher and all of them used to study together. Now Margie again gets very surprised. She says that her mother had told her that the computer or the mechanical teacher is adjusted to fit to every boy and girl's personal need. हर बच्चे की अलग अलग क्षमता होती है पढ़ने की, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसका टीचर जो है वो सेटअप किया जाता है. लेकिन ये कैसा स्कूल है जिसमें सारे बच्चे इकट्ठे पढ़ रहे हैं एक साथ एक ही चीज़ को? दिस couldn't be possible according to Margie. Tommy feels offended and leaves Margie saying that if she didn't like the book, she mustn't read it. Because Tommy got agitated. She said, Margie, I'm telling you about this kind of a book and a school from a very different time. These kind of books and schools used to be in the olden days. And if you're not liking it, you better not read the book also. Margie was though very curious to know more about the funny schools of the past. According to Margie, these kind of schools were very funny. And she even wanted to know more about that kind of school. However, on being reminded by her mother, she had to go back to her schoolroom, which was next to her bedroom, and in there her computer waited for her at the same time each day except for Saturdays and Sundays. So Margie's classes were not held on Saturdays and Sundays. But while Margie was still in the thoughts of the school from the past, she hears her mother's voice and her mother beckons her. Her mother tells her, Margie, it's now time to study. Come on, go back to your schoolroom and start studying. Your computer is waiting with its open screen. While Margie's mechanical teacher was flashing arithmetic lessons on addition of proper fractions on screen, Her mind was still thinking about the old days and the childhood of her grandfather's grandfather. She kept on thinking about the real books and the special buildings which were called schools. She wondered how it would be to have kids coming from neighborhood to study in one classroom. She was now getting excited about this fact that all of the children studied together in one school. They had a human teacher to teach them, and how full of fun it used to be, it had been when these children were studying in a building called school. So it was fascinating for Margie to realize that teachers were people, they were human beings, and they must have loved it in the olden days, and what kind of fun they had. That is all about this chapter, children. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Please read your chapter once again and wait for the question answers to come for you. Thank you.